How to fix Opera GX VPN not working.
All right, so to fix this, the first thing that we're gonna do is that we would want to update our browser. So to do that, click here on the Opera icon right here in the top left and click here on the update and recovery. Click on it. And from here, as you can see, it is now checking for updates. So if an update is available, make sure to update your browser first. Now, if this doesn't work for you, you have updated it and still you have that error. What you could do next is that you could try to restart Opera VPN. So click here on VPN, and from here, you could just turn it on and then turn it off again and then turn it on again and see if it would now work for you. If not, then we could try the next one, which is simply by clicking here on the settings icon. So first, click here on easy setup, click on settings, and then click on privacy and security, delete browsing data right here. Next is that you would want to go for the cookies and cache right here. So you don't need to go for the browsing history and so on, but I could also recommend that you include them so that you'd be able to ensure that you would have a clean slate. In this way, you will be sure that it is not a browser data issue. So yeah, only do this if you are fine with losing your data here in the browser if you don't have anything important. Now, next is that you want to disable extensions. So click here on the extension icon because sometimes extensions would mess up your VPN or would block it. So make sure that you disable the extensions right here that you think might interfere with your VPN, or much better would be to disable all of them. In that way, you can test if it is a extension problem. So yeah, those are the fixes on how you could fix this. Thank you for watching.